Freelancing may seem an accessible and appealing way to boost your income, but it isn't as easy as it looks, especially when you also have to keep up with your studies. It's vital to learn more about what self-employment entails so you can prepare yourself to succeed as a freelancer without compromising your education. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons of freelance work. Freelancing benefits: flexibility. You have the freedom to do whatever you want with your business. You can set your own schedule, decide your workload, and create a work environment you feel comfortable in. Depending on your line of work, you can even make money from your home. Gain experience. You may use your work as a freelancer to gain skills and get expertise that's relevant to your degree. This can help prepare you to enter the workforce after you graduate, either as an employee or business owner. Creativity and variety. As a freelancer, you have complete control over your work. You can be as creative as you want, both in the work you do and how you run your business. You'll also get a lot of variety since you have to oversee every aspect of the business. Earn money. Obviously, freelancing is a way to make money, but there's no ceiling on how much of it you can earn. Usually, you can earn more per hour than you would as an employee at a business, especially at this stage in your professional life. You can also take on more projects to boost your earnings. And aside from the taxes you have to pay on your income, you get to keep it all. Build a business. Freelancing is what you make it. If you're entrepreneurially minded, you could create a small business, not just a side hustle. Instead of frantically applying to jobs after graduation, you can just devote more time to building your business since you've already laid a solid foundation. Freelancing drawbacks. Responsibility. When you freelance, all the responsibility for running your business and getting your work done falls on you. This can provide a valuable learning opportunity, but it can also be overwhelming, especially if you aren't confident in handling certain areas of the business. Financials. Between figuring out taxes and the lack of benefits, the financials of freelancing are confusing. You may not know what records to keep or whether you need a 1099 or W-2 tax form. While you can do research and learn about these topics, you'll likely have to figure out a lot of these things on your own. In a regular job, you have to work on a consistent, predetermined schedule. As a freelancer, you may go through periods where you do have a lot of work to do and others with very little. This also results in an inconsistent cash flow. Work-life balance. It can be hard to maintain a healthy work-life balance as a freelancer, particularly since it's already difficult enough to do so as a student. In addition to an irregular schedule, you also have more earning potential if you take on more work. Even if you don't consider classes, schoolwork, and extracurriculars, it's all too easy to overload yourself. Collecting payments. Collecting payments from your clients can pose a challenge. Some clients will happily and promptly pay what they owe, but others will drag their feet and make late payments. Asking people for payment can be uncomfortable, especially if you aren't used to it. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out the paystubs.com to create your own pay stubs today.